Welcome students. We're discussing this chapter relation and function, and we already completed up to functions and real function and real valued function. So let's solve some problems from function, that is how to define the function and then how to find the functional value at a certain point. So I've chosen some questions from this exercise 2D from S&A. So here is the first question. This is from, I think, 2 marks questions. So the first question is, the function is defined as 3x minus 9. Then you need to find the functional value, that is f of minus 1, f of 3, f of x plus h, and f of x squared plus 1. So first of all, find f of minus 1. That means you need to put at minus 1 at the place of x, that is for x is equals to minus 1, putting x is equals to minus 1 in f of x, right? So if we put this, so we will find 3 into minus 1, minus 9, that is minus 12. Next, putting this x is equals to 3 in this fx. So what you will find, f of 3, so 3 into 3 minus 9, that is 0. So f of 3 is 0. Next, f of x plus h. So in the place of x, put x plus h. So if we put it, so 3 into x plus h minus 9. Now f of x squared plus 1. So put x squared plus 1 in the place of x. So 3 of x squared plus 1 minus 1, that is 3x squared minus 6. Next, number 2. F of x minus 1 is given. That is, functional value at x minus 1 is 7x minus 5. You need to find f of x plus 1 and f of x plus 2. Now, in the place of putting x is equals to x plus 2, then what is this f of x minus 2? In the place of this x minus 1, you need to put in this place x, just put x plus 2. So what you will find? You will find f of x plus 2 minus 1. That means you will find f of x plus 1. That you need to find this value of f of x plus 1. So put x is equals to, in the place of x, put x plus 2. So you will find the ultimate value at x plus 1, that is the functional value at x plus 1 is given by 7x plus 9. Similarly, if we put x is equals to x plus 3, so we will find f of x plus 2, and this value is given by 7x plus 16. So moving to the next question. 2 f of x plus 3 f of minus x is given 15 minus 4x. So this equation is given. From here you need to find the f of x. Okay, so what is given? It's given 2 of f of x plus 3 f of minus x equals to 15 minus 4x. So numbering this one 1. Now put x is equal to minus x, that is put in the place of x, putting minus x. So we will find this 2 of f of minus x equals to 3 of f of x, and this 4 into minus x, so ultimately 15 plus 4x. So putting minus x in the place of x. Okay, so now look at that, numbering this one as 2. So now this is equation number 1, equation number 2, and 2 unknowns are there, that is f of x and f of minus x. Now if we just eliminate this f of minus x from this 2 equation, you will easily find this f of x, like where we are finding the value of x and y from any system of linear equation. The same process we need to find, we need to follow, that we need to eliminate this f of minus x from these two equations. So firstly, multiply this equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3 and subtract them. That is equation 1 into 2 minus equation 2 into 3 and subtract them. So write it language, that is multiplying 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 and subtracting them. You will find this equation. I'm not telling this calculation, so you will go through this calculation. You can understand this calculations. There's all the terms I have written, no step jump is there. So now f of minus x, f of minus x, cancel. So now simplify this one. You will find minus 5 f of x is minus 15 minus 20x. Now just divide this equation by minus 5. So you will find f of x is given by 3 plus 4x. And that's only you have to prove. So we proved it. So proved. So moving to the next one. F of x is given by, in this form, that is a into x by a minus b plus b into x minus a by b minus a. Now, you need to show that f of a plus f of b is given by f of a plus b. So firstly find this f of a. So in the place of x, put a. Okay, so we'll find this a minus a is 0, so that term will cancel, that term will vanish, and a minus b, since these two are same factor, so cancel it, you only find this is equals to a. Now find f of b. So put in the place of x, b. So what you will find, this b minus a, cancel, and this b minus b 0, so that term will vanish, and only remaining term is b. Okay, now find f of a plus b. What is f of a plus b? In the place of x, just put a plus b. So look at here, b cancel, and here a and a cancel. So I'm taking common this 1 by a minus b from these two terms. So we will find this is a square, a into a, and this is b into b square and minus b square. Since b minus a is there, so if we take common a minus b, so minus will remain here, minus 1. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, I can write a plus b into a minus b and divide this one by a minus b. So what you will find? A plus b. So from here you can easily write that f of a plus f of b is equals to a plus b, and which is again equals to f of a plus b. So we proved it. That is fx is given in this form, and then f of a is equal to f of a plus f of b is given by f of a plus b. Okay. So moving to the next question. This is this. F of x is equals to 1 upon x square. Okay. Then show that f of x plus h minus f of x minus h is equals to minus 4xh by x square minus h square, then its whole square. So firstly find f of x plus h. So in the place of x, put x plus h, and you can write down in the after this that whatever you have done here, you can write down that putting x equals to x plus h. So we'll find 1 by x plus h the whole square. And what is f of x minus h? 1 by x minus h the whole square. Now find this value, f of x plus h minus f of x minus h. So this is 1 by x plus h the whole square minus 1 by x minus h the whole square. Now take LCM. So the denominator will be x plus h into x minus h and then its whole square. That is x square minus h square the whole square. Right? So denominator is this, and just look for this numerator. So this one is x. So looking for this numerator, x minus h the whole square minus x plus h the whole square. So again look at that, a square minus b square formula you can put, So a plus b, a minus b. So put here a plus b, a minus b, and just simple calculation, calculate them. You will find this value is given by minus 4xh by x square minus h square the whole square. And this is this RHS. And write down here LHS. So we proved it. So write down proved. So finding functional value or establish this relation between different functional values is very easy. Just you need to put the value and simplify it. So moving to the next problem. G of theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Then you need to find the value of G of pi by 4 minus theta. You can directly put that G of, in the place of theta, you can easily put pi by 4 minus theta. That thing also you can put in the place of theta. You can put pi by 4 minus theta and simplify this equation, and you can find the value of G of pi by 4 minus theta. Or you can do one thing, that is write down what is G of theta and then simplify G of theta first, and then put the value theta is equals to pi by 4 minus theta. Now how we will simplify this one? So in the place of 1 we can put tan pi by 4 minus tan theta and 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. Now what is this? This is a formula like tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. And what is this? This is tan A minus B, right? So this is tan A minus B. So write it down, tan A minus B. So here it will be tan pi by 4 minus theta. Now if I put in the place of theta pi by 4 minus theta, so G of pi by 4 minus theta is, in the place of theta just put pi by 4 minus theta, so tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus theta. So that will be only tan theta. So this is the answer. So moving to the next. F of x is equals to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then you need to show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2f of x. Clear? So in the place of x, just put 2x by 1 plus x square. This is f of x is given, log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So in the place of x, just put 2x by 1 plus x square. So you will find log of 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square, 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Clear? Now if I simplify this one, what you will find, just take LCM this in the numerator and denominator. So you will find this is 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square, and the denominator is given by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. So ultimate remaining term is, look at this one, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that means a plus b the whole square. And the denominator will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is a minus b the whole square. So I can write down this one as log of 1 plus x the whole square by 1 minus x the whole square. Now this thing I can write like 1 plus x by 1 minus x the whole square. Right? And there is a property of log, that is log a to the power x is equals to x or a to the power b, whatever you want to say, take it to the power b. So this one is given by b log a, right? So ultimately we will find this log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x the whole square. So this is the power term. So power, that is 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, which is this. This is again fx, that is 2 into f of x, and that's we need to prove. So write it down, proved. Clear? Just put the value and simplify and use some properties for functions or log, whatever you need to use this property. Use this properties and you will easily find this value. So moving to this next part, that is f of x is equals to x minus 1 by x plus 1. Then you need to show f of x minus f of y by 1 plus f of x f of y is equals to x minus y by 1 plus xy. So firstly write down what is f of x. F of x is given, so no need to write down. So write down f of y. What is f of y? F of y is y minus 1 by y plus 1. Right? And you already have this f of x, that is x minus 1 by x plus 1. So put this value of f of x and f of y in this given equation, that is in this given equation, the left hand side in this given equation. So LHS we can write down, this is your LHS. So in the place of fx, just put the value, in the place of fy, just put the value. Clear? Now if I simplify this one, so what you will find? Just take this LCM. So x minus 1 into y plus 1 minus y minus 1 into x plus 1. This denominator will cancel, x plus 1, y plus 1. Here also the same factor is there. Next, x plus 1, y plus 1 minus plus x minus 1 and y minus 1. Now just multiply them and just simplify it. So if you multiply them, you will find xy plus x minus y minus 1 minus of, multiply this two term, you will find xy minus x plus y minus 1. And this denominator is given by x plus 1 into y plus 1, that is xy plus x plus y plus 1, and x minus y, x minus 1, y minus 1, that is xy minus x minus y plus 1. And look at here. Now this x and y, this term will cancel, and for the numerator plus xy minus xy, this term will cancel, and this minus 1 and this will be plus 1, this term will cancel. So remaining terms are 2 into x plus y, and denominator is 2 into 1 xy plus 1. Then 2 cancel, so write it down, x minus y by 1 plus xy. This one corrected, this one will be x minus y. X minus y. Okay. So this is your right hand side and we proved it. Okay. So moving to the next, I think that this is questions from SNT. I think this is 4 marks questions, question number 5. So moving to the next, some homework is there. So solve these problems. They're very easy. If of x is given in this form, you need to find the value of m such that f of y is equals to x. So firstly find what is f of y and write down f of y is equals to x. Okay, and then find the value of m. It's very easy. Phi x is given in this form. We already solved this type of problems. Log of this function is given where we need to find this value. So phi of phi x is equals to x. So firstly find what is phi x and then put in the place of phi x, again put here phi x. That is, if we write down this one, so it will look like 1 minus phi x by 1 plus phi x. Now put the value of phi x and simplify this one, you will find this value is x. Same for this one also. So this is 1 minus phi cot theta by 1 plus phi cot theta. Okay, so we'll find this value is given by cot theta, or you can show that in the place of x, if you for this equation, after proving this equation, in the place of x you can put cot theta and you can show this number 2 is also hold. Okay, so this type of function, if this type of function is given, so if this x is rational, then the value of the function is 4, and if x is irrational, the value of the function is -4. So first of all, you need to find this which one is rational and which one is irrational from this given values, that is 0, 2.4, root 3, 3.6, pi, sine pi by 4 and e. So firstly, separate them, which one is rational and which one is irrational. And if it is rational, then its value is 4, and if it is irrational, then the value of the function is -4. Okay, just you need to find, or you need to identify which one is rational and which one is irrational. So moving to the next question, y is equals to fx, the function is given in the form. You need to show that x is equals to f of y, the same as this question number 8. Same type of question. Okay, so these questions are very easy, you can solve it. So if any problem or any doubt is there, you're free to ask. Thank you.